I'm starting an experiment. I will be investing $100 a month in crypto. I want to see how much can you achieve with just $100 a month. Right now, it's a good time to start a crypto portfolio as we are in a bear market and the prices are down. Though usually people start out in the bull market when everything is hyped up, the prices are sky high, and well, actually it's a better time to sell than instead of start. I want to see how it's going to go, how the portfolio will look like in half a year, and beyond. Will I lose all my money, or will I manage to grow that portfolio substantially? The investment for this month is the Secret token. But before we dive into it, I want to talk about a little bit of the context. I bought the Secret token on the Kraken exchange. Now, it is a centralized exchange, and in general, you don't want to use them to store your crypto, but we also don't want to pay high Ethereum fees because we are only investing $100 a month, and Ethereum fees can range from $10, $20 or even $50 to buy a single token. And if you're investing $100, we don't really want to pay that much. On Kraken, the fees are very low. I only paid a single trading fee, which I think was even less than $1. So we need to compromise. Do we want higher security or do we want less fees? And right now I picked less fees as the compromise. And also Kraken is a very popular and long-lasting exchange. It has my trust. The only other exchange that I would recommend is Coinbase. It is, I think, one of the most popular ones in the US, and Kraken is more popular in Europe. Now let's get back to the Secret network. I'm not a big believer of fundamental analysis. If you research a project long enough, usually you will just find out that it's more of the same. It's probably a copy of Ethereum, copy of Bitcoin, and usually they do the same stuff. It's mostly narratives in crypto, randomness and hype, how much a project is marketed, and that moves the prices around in crypto. So it's pretty random. I don't develop a lot on fundamental analysis, but you do want to make sure that the project has active development. It also has a social network that's active. They have a community, and that it is not some sort of scam. And that's pretty much it. The Secret network was started in 2020. It has a pretty active community. On Twitter, they have 190,000 followers. On Telegram, they have around 20,000 followers. They have several apps built on their ecosystem. On DeFi Llama, if you go to chains, it is number 51st, and it has around 18 million locked on the chain as liquidity. And overall, the narrative for the Secret network is that it is a privacy coin. It is best imagined as Ethereum with privacy settings turned on by default. So you can have smart contracts that are private, and overall it's pretty much like Ethereum. And the privacy narrative, it pops off every single bull run, and all these privacy coins like Monero, Zcash, and others, they start to pop off at the same time. So having a coin in this narrative, I think, is a good addition to a balanced crypto portfolio. So this is pretty much why I picked the Secret network. Now, from technical analysis point of view, the Secret network is pretty much on a huge support level from the 3 cents range, and it is sitting right now somewhere around that price. Also, I like to calculate the number of what was its all-time high price, which was around $9. And if we divide $9 from 30 cents, we get 30. If the current price would go back to the all-time high, which tokens that stay relevant in the bear market, they usually tend to do that in the bull market. They go back to their all-time high price, and they also go a little bit further. So my $100 investment would go to $3,000, or just as well, it could go to zero if the secret network goes out of relevancy and it just dies. So this is my bet that it might go up, and I'm betting on the privacy narrative. Also, I like that they are paying a 25% staking reward, which you can stake for free on the Kraken exchange. It's an added bonus, but if the price of the secret token would go down, it wouldn't really matter that much. So I did make the investment on June 16th, when the price per token was 30 cents. I bought 362 secret tokens. I did invest 100 euros, but to make it easier to calculate for the general audience, I invested $108.60. Now, you might be asking why the price is already 35 cents. Well, because I'm lucky, I guess. Though, yeah, the idea is that I'm filming it on June 18th, and the price did jump up a bit. And I also staked the tokens for 21 days bonding period. So this is my first investment for this portfolio, and I will meet you in the next month's video where we will see how the secret token done for the month, and we will also do another investment of $100. If you have any questions about crypto, let me know in the comments below. And if you would like me to talk about something in crypto, also you can make suggestions down below. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one.